Greetings from Washington, D.C., and good wishes from the National Academy of Engineering. We are thrilled to join the Royal Academy of Engineering, the Royal Swedish Academy of Engineering Sciences, and the Canadian Academy of Engineering in partnering with Titan for the Cambridge 6G Symposium. My name is Guru Madhavan. Let me begin with an ancient Greek tale about the goat-footed god who roamed wild mountains and meadows. Pan was half man and half goat. He straddled the line between civilization and chaos. His name meant all-encompassing. When jolted from his afternoon naps, he'd leap up, unleashing commotion or panic, a word from his name, that rippled through the world around him. Today, we gather not in panic, though that's been the vibe in DC lately, but with purpose, not to disrupt irresponsibly, but to develop responsibly. So there's wisdom in recalling this boundary-crossing deity to think about the future of connectivity. We are here to discuss 6G, but let's name what's at stake. This isn't about faster speeds or lower latency. In a way, we are crafting a nervous system of connectivity. In 1965, philosopher Karl Popper split problems into two realms, clocks and clouds. Clocks are tidy, predictable systems. Inputs and outputs you can map with precision. Clouds are unbounded, even unruly, defined by vagueness, emergence, and adaptation. So what's 6G? A clock or a cloud? On the surface, it's a clock, a network forged through exacting technical standards. Dig deeper, though, it's a cloud, an evolving intelligent system that processes, predicts, and performs, a system that can learn, reshape itself, and engage humans, machines, and cultures in real time. 6G won't just carry data, as we know, it'll spawn new capacities. This leads me to a striking framework. Ecologists Buzz Halling and Lance Gunderson coined panarchy, a nod to the trickster god Pan. Panarchy reveals how resilient self-organizing systems cycle through growth, stability, collapse, and renewal. These cycles interlock across scales. What shifts at the micro level ripples to the macro and back again. Through this lens, 6G is more than a network. It's an ecology where resilience comes not from rigidity, but from flexibility. At the National Academy of Engineering, we have reframed our mission around three linked pillars: people, systems, and culture. Engineers live at the crossroads of triumph and tragedy, blending wonder with worst-case imagination, a duality that defines our trade. No other profession matches the scale of creation and consequence baked into engineering design. That's why engineering for people, systems, and culture isn't enough anymore. We must embrace the people, systems, and culture of engineering itself. This shift matters as we tackle 6G. Complexity isn't the hurdle. How we deal with complexity is. Frame 6G as a speed challenge, and we'll chase bandwidth. Cast it as a security issue, and we'll harden encryption. See it as a social imperative, and we'll prioritize access. But 6G is all these things and beyond. In 1975, vaccine pioneer Jonas Salk sketched a metaphor for societal leaps that resonates with our task. He drew an S-shaped curve, splitting human history into two eras. Epoch A, the steep climb, where we are individualistic, chasing quick wins and short-term gains, a world obsessed with efficiency and optimization. Epoch B, the plateau, where we turn collaborative, interdependent, embracing long-haul systems thinking, a world of resilience and renewal. If Epoch A is just in time, Epoch B is just in case. We are straddling this shift right now. The challenges ahead, including how we shape 6G, aren't tidy technical puzzles. They're tangled, systemic riddles, demanding how we rethink to engineer a better world. You feel the tension. As we mold 6G, we must steer this pivot from efficiency to resilience. What if we design 6G not just for Epoch A speed, but for Epoch B strength? What if we optimize not only for performance, but for better access and regeneration? These aren't mere technical choices. They are civilizational stakes. These aren't vague musings. They're as concrete and urgent as any spec sheet. Our choices will decide not just what we build, but who we'll be as engineers. Because 6G's future isn't out there waiting. It's here, an all-encompassing system worthy of Pan's wild legacy. Thank you.